Hey there and welcome to Umbraco TV. In the next couple of videos, you'll learn what are members and how to manage them in Umbraco 8. My name is Gabriel and I will be your Umbraco Unicorn guide today. Let's get started. Alright, so what is a member in Umbraco? A member in Umbraco is an external person who has a profile on your website. Members are used for registering and authenticating external users of an Umbraco installation. It can be forum members, intranet users, and so forth. As a matter of fact, you are a member of the Umbraco TV website, where you have a profile and have access to different videos. An important thing to notice is that members are not the same as back office users. Members do not have access to the back office of that specific website. For example, if you want a user to be able to register or log in on your website, then we are talking about members. Great, now that we know what a member is in the back office, in the next video we'll learn how to add members from the back office. So see you soon.